Okay, good morning, students. Today we will start a new software, and that software is a present time well-known software in IT industry. This is Photoshop. So today we are going to start Photoshop. In your book, the version of software may be different, but features are same. So first of all, uh, what is Photoshop? It is a photo editing software. तो किसी भी फोटोग्राफ के ऊपर इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी चेंजेस यू कैन डू ऑफ फोटोशॉप एंड प्रेजेंट टाइम 90% मोर देन 90% जो फोटोग्राफर्स हैं और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है और मल्टीमीडिया है दीज आर यूजिंग फोटोशॉप. So this is a very interesting software. So first of all, I will discuss the basics, and after that, I will discuss step by step the information given in your book. I will discuss that. Okay, students, Photoshop is a photo editing software. It is a product of Adobe. Adobe company is a one of the biggest company इन आईटी इंडस्ट्री जिसके पास बहुत से सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं. प्रेजेंट टाइम में जो फ्लैश है वो भी एडोब कंपनी के ने परचेज कर लिया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो नाउ इफ आई क्लिक एट द टॉप देयर इज मेन्यूज, फाइल, एडिट, इमेज, लेयर, टाइप, सेलेक्ट, फिल्टर, विंडो, हेल्प. These are different menus. And this side, these are different tools. This is a toolbar. Different tools are there. Just like a eraser is there, there is a ellipse tool is there. There are so many tools are there. And this is your different tabs are there. ठीक है, तो जब भी आप you want to create a new file, you will have to click on file, click on new. So look at here. So first of all, you will have to give the name of the file. For example, this is first pick. My file name is first pick. Then it will tell width and height of the file. So we know that the picture in, because in this we will create image files. So it will tell where its size, whether it is in a 7-inch width and by default it is height is 5 inch. You can, if you are not comfortable in inches, you can take here pixels, centimeters, millimeters, points, columns. So many things are there. So I am taking here in inches. And next is, here is resolution. So remember one thing, student, if you want a very clear picture, you need very high resolution. It means if you are having a HD image, its resolution will be very high. It will be very fine. It will be very clear. But high resolution has a one drawback. Who will tell? What is the drawback of high resolution? Anyway.
It occupies more space.
Yes, very good, beta. So whenever resolution will be high, in that case, it will consume more memory. It means that file can't be used in internet. तो अगर हम किसी वेबसाइट के लिए वो फाइल यूज करेंगे तो आपकी मेमोरी कंजम्पशन ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. तो एट वन साइड high resolution means very clear picture, very fine picture, and another side drawback is the size of the file will be very large. It means अगर आपके पास एक फाइल suppose 10 MB की है, after high resolution it will be go up to maybe 100 MB. So for printing purpose you can take very high resolution. It may be up to 300 or megapixel you can take. But remember one thing, for internet purpose or transferring the data from one side to another side, you need very low resolution. Next is, here is color mode. Here is RGB, grayscale, bitmap, YK, and lab color. Now, student, what is RGB? Raise your hands. Bani.
Sir, RGB means different colors like red, green, and blue.
You have partially answer is correct, but it is not a complete answer. Yes, Anmol.
Sir, these are three primary colors.
Good. Yes. Now listen very carefully with them. Uh, the Anmol has already given one answer, that is primary color. We know that RGB, three primary colors are there. R stand for red, G stand for green, B stand for, yes, anybody? Full form of RGB. Yes, raise your hands. Bani.
Sir, red, green, and blue color.
Red, green, and blue color. All the colors which we see are the combination of these three colors. It means whenever you want to watch the you want to see the image only, then RGB is best way. क्योंकि जो सनलाइट होती है उसमें भी ये थ्री कलर प्राइमरी कलर्स हैं, एंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज थ्री कलर्स डिफरेंट कलर्स आर देयर. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस RGB इज ओनली फॉर व्यू पर्पस. अगर आपने प्रिंटिंग करनी है, RGB इज नॉट बेस्ट. तो जब भी आपने इंटरनेट में कोई पोस्ट करनी है, यू वांट टू व्हाट्सअप समथिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स, इन दैट केस RGB इज बेस्ट एंड इट टेक लेस memory. But there is another mode. That mode is CMYK. Who will tell what is CMYK? Avni.
Sir, CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. In printers, this is used. It is used to form different colors. These colors, when are mixed with different proportions, they form number of colors.
Very good, beta. Very good. Beta, CMYK stand for cyan, Y for M for magenta, Y for yellow, K for black. Here not B. B means अगर हम B ले लेते, it is a blue. So that's why K for black. So this color, this is a you can say color scheme for printing purpose. आपने कभी देखा होगा कि newspaper, colored newspaper, at the bottom there are four colors dots are there. So these are four colors, different combinations we can create with the help of these four colors. आपके पास जो कलर प्रिंटर होता है, that is your inkjet, उसमें भी four colors पड़ते हैं बेटा. Those four bottles are there, color bottles, and combination of these we can create different combinations. So this is for printing purpose. And remember one thing, CMYK take more memory as compared with RGB, because if your mode is CMYK, it will take high resolution, and moreover आपने और आपके पास डाटा भी आपके पास जो होगा वो ज़्यादा फाइन होगा. And other modes are bitmap, these are for picture mode, and there is a grayscale, only gray and white colors are there. Lab colors, this is also for printing, but CMYK is more used in printing. So look at here. Here is image size. By default, image size is 708.8. So it is predefined now. Now next is, if you click on OK button, so your file will, here this is a canvas. तो ये आपके पास एक canvas बन गया, ठीक है. तो आप यहाँ पे with the help in this canvas, you can draw anything, you can insert anything. So here different tools are there. So you can here draw rectangle. Okay, you can here you, there is a ellipse tool is there. Okay, then there is a polygon tool is there. So many tools are there. Now in this, remember one thing, at the bottom there is two colors are there. Now, now in the case of your Photoshop, we have two type of colors. One is called background color and another is called foreground color. So here background color is white, that is your canvas color, your stage color, and your foreground color is red. So look at here at the bottom, there are two colors. Red, it is a your foreground color. You double click on that. You can, there is a different color combinations. Look at here. Select color here, orange. Different orange colors are there. Select green. Different green combinations are there. So what you will do here, you can select color here. This is your new color. Click on OK button. And now if I draw something, that will be new color. Wait. There is a problem, something wrong here. Look at here, color is changed. And if you want to change the background color, here you can change it. But remember one thing, you have already taken white color, because whenever you click on file and click on new, in that case, you here background color is white, but you can change the background color. Look at here. अब आपने background color सेलेक्ट कर लिया, then you will click on OK button. तो ये वाला देखो background color वही आ गया जो हमने लिया था. So there are two type of colors, foreground color and background color. Okay, students, any doubt in this? Okay, beta. Now, if I draw something here, now I am going to draw. Okay, beta. In tool, there is a small arrow here. Small arrow means in this tool, there are some more tools. आपने क्या करना, right click on that and select the tools. For example, if you want to draw circle, and now you change the color. Now you want to draw rectangle. So there is a one problem here. I will sort out that problem, because color, I change the color to brown, but it is showing in green color. Now this is one thing very interesting. Now objects are different. Look at here. This button at the top, there is a selection button. I click here and move the rectangle anywhere. Because I have selected rectangle. In case I want to select circle, right click on the circle and select ellipse. Now I can move there. This is something different from MS Paint. In MS Paint, in lower classes, the MS Paint is in your syllabus. तो उसमें अगर आप पेंट में अगर आप कुछ ड्रॉ करते हो, look at here. If I draw one square and then one circle. Now, if I move, I want, suppose I am going to select here this. I want to select. ठीक है, मैंने सिलेक्शन की सिर्फ सर्कल की. अगर मैं इसको मूव करूंगा रेक्टेंगल को, साथ में सर्कल का पोर्शन भी मूव हो रहा है. So here objects are mixed with each other. But in the case of Photoshop, each object is different because the layers are different. Suppose if we place transparent sheet one after one, it means these are separate. तो ये layers हैं. तो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट है, एक शीट के ऊपर दूसरी शीट पड़ी हुई है, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट अलग है. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करता हूँ रेक्टेंगल को, then I can move the rectangle. If I right click on the circle ellipse, then I can move the ellipse, or even I can select the background. So any doubt in this? Asta?
No, sir.
Okay, better. Now next is here I'm going to insert one image. I click on file, click on open, and I select here one image. I open the image. Now here at first there is a selection tool. Now here is different type of selection tools are there. So look at here. Here is rectangle mark you, elliptical mark you, single row, single column. There is lasso tool, polygon tool, magic lasso. Then there is a magic wand. So I click on magic wand. Look at here. I click on the look at here. मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक कर दिया, तो आपके पास एरिया सेलेक्ट हो गया. If I press delete key, look at here. I take मैंने इरेजर लिया और इरेजर से मैंने there are two type of eraser, background eraser and simple eraser. मैंने अगर background erase करनी है, look at here. I press delete key, background erase हो गई. इस तरीके से आपके पास आप किसी भी पिक को की बैकग्राउंड को चेंज कर सकते हो. Look at here magic wand. I click on the and now I press delete key because I have already applied the background eraser. So look at here. So now suppose okay students, tell me what is PNG file? Very interesting. This is a very interesting. Now I'm going to discuss very interesting thing with you better. Any student, what is PNG file? So no any answer. So look at here. I select the image. With the help of rectangular selection tool. I using here rectangular tool. Then I press Ctrl plus C. I click on file, click on open. Here I select one more picture in Ctrl plus V. Look at here. Images are mixing with each other. So look at here. So these are different tools we will discuss later on. So by using this, we can merge more than one picture at a time. So this is again a very interesting tool. Look at here. At top, we look at here different files which I have opened are visible here. Yes, who will give the answer? What is PNG files? And Avni?
The files which are created in MS Paint are saved with an extension which is .png.
No, it is not exact answer. देखो बेटा मैं आपको एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. Remember one thing. This is very interesting. I open here MS Word. Or you can take any other example. चलो MS में पेंट भी ले लेता. आप MS पेंट भी यूज कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. I draw one rectangle here and fill the color black here. And in Photoshop, I save this image. Save as image as PNG. And as I'm saving this file in desktop. I save the file. Here is my file. I copy the file. So look at here. In MS Word, I inserted one picture that is, now look at here, its background is orange. Reason is in Photoshop, I saved that file with extension PNG. So remember one thing, whenever the extension of any file is PNG and you delete its background, its background will be transparent. Remember one thing, if I'm going to save this file as PNG, look at here, save as, I am saving this file in desktop, but my extension is JPG. I am saving this file. Now from MS Word, I delete the previous file and copy the new file. Control C, come in MS Word and Control V. Look at here. My image, my background is white. It means by default, if you delete the any background, and if your extension is JPG, it will take white color as a background. But in the case of PNG, if you deleted the background, it will take your background as transparent. Look at here. I'm again inserting the image, PNG image here. Look at here. So students, concept is clear. What is PNG? Why it is important? Due to the transparent your image. If you search any transparent image in your internet, these file always in PNG format. Student, concept is clear. Bani, any doubt here?
No, sir.
So look at here. In browser, I am searching. Yes, Anve.
सर प्लीज रिपीट करना, आपने क्या बोल रहा था कि जो हम ब्राउजर से लेते हैं वो कौन सी फाइल होती है?
बेटा देखो, जब हम ब्राउजर से लेंगे, मैं आपको look at here. I open the Chrome. I search here one image flowers, or I type here PNG, by default PNG. Look at here. So now look at here, different pages, flowers are there. I copy one flower. I am saving this. So I am saving this in a desktop. So you will have to mention PNG file or any other file. Now look at here. But this is not a transparent background. I'm copying this and placing here. So in internet you will have to search. आपको सर्च करनी पड़ती है कि आपके पास PNG फाइल बनी है कि नहीं आपके पास. ये देखो, ये PNG फाइल नहीं है, ठीक है. You can search any other file. I am saving this file. Again showing PNG file. I am saving in the desktop. So you will have to search. Students, time is over. In next period, we will I will demo for PNG file again. Okay, beta. Take care. Bye, beta.